Hi my friends, today we model this part which comes from Timoteo Carrera Soto as usual. The assembly is here and we study this part in order to model it and obtain the object. No problems with difficulty. This is for beginners, my friends. This part is taken from Timoteo Carrera Soto drawings, and you can download every drawing from Timoteo by watching my tutorial number 182. This is my drawing, and we start by creating this external volume, then this one joining to the previous, and at the end the hollow volumes inside. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, sketch XY plane, and we start by drawing a vertical line of 50 millimeters. We place it with its center on this center point, and this is a center line. And lines to the right down. I keep pressed the left button. I go somewhere here, then here. I go down at a small distance. Another keep pressed the left button. We go here and we close this contour. Dimensions, we start with minor dimensions. 2 is this, 8 here, this line is 5, you see why we use small dimensions at the beginning, because we don't want to have them compromised. This is 5. Now diameters 36, not point, 36, 48, 52, 52. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay, we continue with this volume, this one, which has dimensions here. Be careful with this gas 1/4 of an inch, which has this dimension 41/91. We use this plane XY to create a new sketch, F7, then we draw a horizontal line starting from here to 50, center line again, and we draw lines here, right, down, right up, then also draw down, and we go here to close this contour. As I said, this is 41.91. This is 50. This is 38. And this is also 38. Horizontal, the smallest dimension is this one, 2, then 5, then 15. This is the order. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish, revolve, OK. We use the same plane, F7, to create an internal volume with this shape, a rectangle. We place its center point to the center point. This is center line. Dimension is 30. And diameter is 38. 38. We apply fillet of 2 millimeters between these two lines and 3 millimeters up. Fully constrained, finish sketch, revolve, not join but cut. OK. An internal volume, void volume, is inside. Now we take a look at the threads. This is the first one. Dimension is 41.91, but we select this 1¼ pipe thread. Hole, not hole, thread. On this surface we select each of pipe threads. You see the diameter is automatically recognized, and we can apply here OK. Then we have this gas 3/4 with diameter of 2644, which can be created through all the part. This cannot be created through all the part. Okay, let's see how to do. Hole, this face, this center, and threaded ISO pipe threads, and we use that dimension 26, this one. It corresponds to gas 3/4. We make it to go through all the part, and OK. you see that hollow volume is visible now. Then another hole on the other side, this face, this center, but 37.9. Yes, gas 1 and 1/8. Yes, but now we have to stop the hole to this plane because this is a work plane. We apply 2. You see this is underlined with blue. Inventor waits for us to select the face for ending the hole, and we select this plane. Yes? Okay. Here is a hole which has the diameter of 30. We apply hole, not threaded, but cylinder. Again, 2 a face, but let's apply which face, which center, and the diameter of 30. You see, it is already placed here. I select this to make visible this blue line, and I select this plane, you see, to end the hole. Okay, I want to see the part from this angle, so I apply set current view as home, fit to view. Now when I place home, when I apply home, the presentation is this one. Last things to do are some chamfers. This is 1 millimeter, same here and same here. Okay, let's see the drawing. Everything was placed. Now we can apply eye properties to see what is the volume. Update, copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. There is a small difference, no problem. We use the last value, and this is the part. We apply the material, which is steel cast, a color which is red. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.